Good morning students. Today we are starting new lesson inserting object in MS Word 2010. And in this chapter first we will study what is an object. Actually object is a non-text component like word art, clip art, pictures and screenshots. They are different from normal text, so we deal with them in a not different way. Today we will only study about the word art object. Why we use word art object? Actually we use word art object to make our document attractive by using various decorative styles in our document. And mostly we use word art object to write the headings and subheadings. हम अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स में इनका यूज़ कहाँ करते हैं? टॉपिक्स के लिए और सब टॉपिक्स के लिए. नॉर्मल टेक्स्ट we are not writing with the help of word art object, though we can write, but it is not a professional look to just type the normal text with the word art object. See, it is available in a text group. So first we will study how can we insert word art object. To insert word art object we have to go to the insert tab. रिबन के ऊपर जो भी वर्ड्स होते हैं दे आर नोन एज ए टैब्स और रिबन के नीचे जो वर्ड्स लिखे होते हैं दे नोन एज ए ग्रुप. सो वी विल क्लिक ऑन अ इंसर्ट टैब एंड टेक्स्ट ग्रुप. राइट साइड you can see there is a word art object given, so we will click on that option. As you will click on that option, word art gallery will open. There are different styles are given. We can click on any one style we like. So when we click on a style, after that we get this edit word art text box. Here we will type our text. जो भी text हमें type करना है with the help of word art we will type here, and even you can change its font and size. आप इसकी font और size को भी change कर सकते हैं. So when you do this, you will get the word art object. Like I have typed computer word with the help of word art object. So this way we will just insert the word art object in our document. Now we will study how can we edit the word art object. For editing the word art object we have to go to the format tab and in drawing tools. Here you can see various options are given. Shape fill, shape outline, shape effects, word art style, text direction, align text, create link. So we can use to edit our word art object. First we are understanding how can we change word art style. जो स्टाइल हमने स्टार्टिंग में चूज़ की थी, if we want to change it we will use word art style group and we will click on this word art style option. Again the gallery will open and we can select any other style. So this way we can change our word art style. Now next what we can do? Text effects. There are various text effects given, so we can change them with the help of format tab and text effect option. Now see, when you click on a text effect option, various sublists will open like shadow, reflection, rotation, transform, and you just go through with any sublist and select any option that will be applied to your word art text object. But please आप remember रखिएगा कि आप सारे options एक साथ apply मत करिएगा. आप केवल वही ऑप्शंस अप्लाई करिएगा जो आपके डॉक्यूमेंट को अट्रैक्टिव बनाते हो. ओके, सपोज आई हैव अप्लाइड द शेडो इफेक्ट. सी, व्हेन आई हैव अप्लाइड द शेडो इफेक्ट्स, computer word is coming with the shade. One more effect you see, that is transform effect. So these effects we will get from text effect. Now we will see how can we set text डायरेक्शन कि किस डायरेक्शन में टेक्स्ट अपीयर होना चाहिए, हॉरिजेंटल और वर्टिकल. सो अगेन देयर इज अ ऑप्शन गिवन इन टेक्स्ट ग्रुप. प्लीज सी. वी विल यूज दिस ऑप्शन to change the direction of text. When we click on text direction option, list is coming horizontal, rotate all text 90 degree, rotate all text 270 degree. So this is your choice, you select any option. Like I have used this rotate option. Now it is important for us to understand what is rotation. Rotation means we can rotate the object at its place to any angle, and to rotate the object we have another option, that is rotation handler. आप देखेंगे कि वर्ड आर्ट ऑब्जेक्ट पे ग्रीन कलर का सर्कल आता है. इफ़ यू प्लेस योर माउस पॉइंटर ऑन इट, इट चेंज इनटू द रोटेशनल हैंडलर शेप. उसका शेप चेंज हो जाता है. देन यू होल्ड डाउन द माउस बटन एंड मूव इट, so it will change the angle of the word art object. So this way we can also rotate the word art object. Like in this I have changed the rotation of computer word. In this picture you can also see there is a green color circle, so that is a rotational handler. This also make our text attractive. Now next coming is text fill. In word art object you can fill the color also. There is an option given text fill. Click on this option and choose different color. When you choose different color, color will be applied. Like I have chosen the green color for computer word to fill inside the word art text object. This is not possible in normal text. Now as we have filled the text color, we can also change the text outline color with the help of text outline option. Choose any color and it will be applied. I have chosen the red color, so it is applied on computer word. So children, our today's topic is over, that we have discussed word art object and what types of editing we can apply on word art text object. Next week we will study about other objects, and this is the assignment for this week. Please do in notebook properly. Thank you.